In second place is the Cecotec EnergySilence Aero 5600 White Aqua Connected, designed for a large room or a covered terrace. It measures 132 centimetres, uses a 40-watt direct current motor, and offers 6 speeds. The specification lists a maximum airflow of 170.6 cubic meters per minute. You can control it with the remote or by Wi-Fi from your phone, schedule shut-off after 1, 2, 4 or 8 hours, and reverse the direction for summer or winter. Its main advantage is the IP44 splash protection. That does not mean it can sit in direct rain, but it is better suited to a protected outdoor area than indoor-only models. The drawback is the 18-watt LED, which I would not choose as the only light in a large living room. It ranks second because it combines size, connectivity, and outdoor protection, although the #1 fan offers finer control of both airflow and light.